our channel released on Netflix, let's start the video now. Apple TV Plus launched the primary 3 episodes of Central Park Season 2 on June 25, 2021 and the display has already renewed for Season 3. The grown-up lively musical comedy collection has become an immediate hit in its first season, which premiered on Apple TV Plus in May of 2020. Nora Smith, Josh Gad and Lauren Bochard are co-created and government manufacturers of award-winning Emmy-nominated collection. For now, there is no legit launch date for Central Park Season 3. But primarily based totally on the preceding agenda among seasons, enthusiasts can anticipate looking at the third season launched through the summertime season of 2022 at the latest. However, given its early renewal date, Central Park Season 3 will probably have an excellent shorter reign among Seasons 2 and 3. Until then, audiences can experience streaming the relaxation of Season 2 with Episode 4 set to launch on Apple TV Plus in July 2021. In Season 1, Central Park delivered audiences to the pains and triumphs of Tillum and Hunter family. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. Using a plethora of incredible musical numbers, Season 2 digs deeper into the tale and its characters, exploring their ups and downs from an extra private factor of view. Audiences can anticipate the collection to hold on to this vein going into Central Park Season 3. The lovely characters of Central Park are voiced through a solid of loved actors together with Leslie Oldham Jr., David Diggs, Titus Burgess, Stanley Tucci, Catherine Hahn, Emmy Raver-Lampman and collection co-creator Josh Gad. Kristen Bell voiced by way of Means with inside the first season, which turned into a recast with Raver-Lampman. However, Bell will reportedly go back for Season 2 because of the voice of a brand new vast individual among all of the relaxation of the primary solid. Given this, it appears probably that they will additionally reprise their respective roles in Central Park Season 3 in conjunction with the various Apple TV Plus displays, ordinary helping and visitor solid of characters that audiences have grown to like with inside the heartwarming display's magical first seasons. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.